What's going on, guys? Steve Sam here with Beyond the Build, and in today's episode we are replacing our lower ball joints on our Nissan 350Z. We did notice when we got in alignment that the ball joints were ripped. The actual boot itself was ripped, and I didn't notice it when I was replacing the rack and pinion. So we're gonna get to it today. We're gonna jack up the car, inspect the ball joints and see which ones are ripped, and then go ahead and replace them. We'll just replace both of them. Alright, so let's get to it, guys. Alright, so right here we do have a ball joint press set that we did rent out over there at O'Reilly's. Basically it comes with like a C-clamp and assortment of these little circle things. These will basically help out push our ball joints. And here's the part that goes to the C-clamp, and we're gonna go ahead and use that with the impact and go ahead and push everything out. So yeah, per usual, rental tools always look really used up, but you know what matters is that we're gonna get the job done. It's lit, it's lit, it's lit, it's lit. Okay. Fastest way to air up the car, charge up the tanks, for me is to turn on the car. Smell like gasoline, girl. Ooh, cold start. Cold start. There you go. As you can see, she's at about 120 now. Air feels a little bit better, a little bit lean there. You got 14s. So, be good. Here's the time. Alright, girl, come on. Let's air, come on. Come on. Come on. Before I forget, check the power steering. Oh, boy, that looks dirty. Good thing though, doesn't look like there was any leaks because it's pretty much halfway full still. Good job on the rack and pinion. Moving on. Anyways, yeah, boys. She is ripped. So first of all, we have to take off the lower control arm. One, two. There's a bolt right here. 3, and there's the tie rod end right here. So right here we have the lower control arm. There's one bolt over here, one in the center, one right here. This part is the castle nut. We're going to be taking off the castle nut, and make sure to take off the cotter pin as well too. And we'll get to work and push it out. Okay, guys, so right below the boot there is it's called a retainer clip or something, and there's a special tool right here. It's basically like it's kind of like reverse pliers or something, but these two little holes go into the ends of the clip and it helps pull it out. So let's give it a try. That was not bad actually. I was kind of nervous. Alright, we got this first bolt out, bolts and nuts. This nut out, and this one with the strut. Oh, excuse me. We just got this last one out with the ball joint we're going to be replacing. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and try to shimmy out the lower control arm. Let's see. Oh man, I gotta replace this boot too. Look at that, buddy. Man, I'm really debating if I should just go tomorrow and just replace this. It really matters. Anyways, these are the new ball joints that came from, I don't know, O'Reilly's. Because it was closer. brand new. I think this goes over here. And it looks like this piece goes on the top part. Let's give it a try. And I'm assuming this part goes here. I think it might just work. Now if you want to see our setup, we have the C-clamp right below here. We have one of the boots, or I don't know, like cylinders going on top of here. And there's a stopper. And they have a little hole up here that allows for the, I don't know, the top part of the boot. No more ruining this part. Let's go. About time, boy. Perfect. All right, that's good enough for me. About this top part. It's flush everywhere. Just running my finger again right through here to make sure. Alright. Well, we're gonna reuse this one. That's fine. First now, it's a reverse process. Oops, reverse process, put everything back the way it was. Alright guys, finally we have one side out of a lot of errors, getting none of the tools or anything out. Got the snap ring on, here's the ball joint, all the new hardware accessories, new lower control arm, added all the bolts on here, got the cotter pin on, so yeah, everything looks solid here. We're going to move on to the passenger side. I want to say most of the time of me wasting most of my time is dancing or looking for my tools, but I think the main thing is me looking for tools. Also trolling a lot. Just having fun. Let's put on this driver's side tire back on. Whoop! Whoop! You mean we can't have fun? Perfect. Go. There is the driver's side, passenger side. Here is the passenger side. Sorry, a long day. New boots in, cleaned up the lower control arm. Everything's pretty much snugged up. Yeah, we're gonna air up the suspension, turn on the car a little bit, put on the wheels, and take her for a test drive. Tomorrow afternoon where it's daylight, so in case if something goes wrong, we have light and all that. So Alright, one thing I didn't show you guys, always make sure you torque down your bolts correctly. Just a little safety feature or additional safety thing you guys should do, especially when dealing with things with your suspension. You don't want something to get loose and you lose control and all that kind, so yeah. Alright, now, so we do have her off the jack stands aired up. She's warmed up, ready to go. We're going to do a couple testing before actually go on the physical road right now. So turn the steering wheel a couple times, see if anything bad happens. So, right, left, yeah, left, right, left. Alright, that's good enough, the full send, let's go. You want to ride along and see what's up? That's how real OGs do it, fam. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, she's pulling right. Right away, she's pulling right. I need to get in alignment again, no matter what. That's fine though. Alright. Go for another run. Solid 75 is pretty much cleared out. That was our issue the whole time. It was the ball joints. It's buttery smooth. Driving is buttery smooth, so let's go get for another one. Yeah, I love it. Okay, we're suddenly in Mexico. And I guess I can kind of do a launch real quick. I do need to do a hard test on this bitch, so. Well, that's going to do it for today's episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. See you guys at the next one. Peace.